It's taken its toll, unfortunately, to all of us. But few of us remaining, and Karatsev is in a really good form. It's going to be our first encounter. I look forward to it.
Just good morning, Tuesday morning. Good morning, afternoon, or good evening. I don't know where you're listening from. Yeah, I just finished watching a little bit of Novak Djokovic's match on the Eurosport against Sasha Zverev. I don't know if you are into tennis, but back to trading. So this is what's moving. I think I can close this one. No, I'm not going to close this one. It's some Photoshop stuff. All right. See how this is crazy? I have a live order. I have a stop limit order for 11:01. Let's see. It's kind of calling back, and let's see if I can get it. I have my headphones here because okay, let's see. It's easy to lose some money here. Okay, let me see if it's gonna call back. Oh, how come? I thought see. That's the problem. I just lost quite a bit of money because I had that order, but I didn't. No, I'm not sure about this one, to be honest. It's in. Okay, it broke there nicely. It doesn't want to hold it, does it? I think I'm gonna go for 10 cents if I can. No, it's selling off. I'm out. So I'm giving my profits away, but that's okay. I made a mistake. I didn't click in Lightspeed, so I couldn't manage my first exit. When I got filled for 11:01, I thought I'm out, but I wasn't. So I closed with a loss. It doesn't know what it wants to do here. It's high volume, so probably it will go back up. Well, let's have a look. It just can't decide very well. So I'm just gonna try to get some of the money back. Look how I just closed it. I wasn't sure. Look at this. It's just should have. It doesn't sell off, so it's kind of accumulating at the moment. So that was a better entry. Yeah, safer. Okay, man. So I'm gonna change. I'm gonna try to come out with $10 if I can. No, it's selling off. I'm out. So 150 down. So I was trading a little bit of that, I think, over here when it was curling up, but now it seems that it's going back down a little bit. So it broke that level and then job done. So just gave away quite a bit. Mondays for me are the most likely losing days historically. Obviously, we're talking them over here. But yeah, I'm not expecting to win today. I had quite a good streak, winning streak for a while, so might be one of those days when I'm gonna give some profits away. Yeah. Yeah, lots of sellers stacked up in this area. So how high did it go? 11.22, quite high actually. I should have been taking some profits, but based on what I've kind of seen here, I kind of didn't trade it until I think it broke 10 or something. So it's proven its strength, and now I thought it's gonna just continue, especially based on the volume here. You would think that it would go. I think I'm in. Yeah, I've decided to go in here. Might be a good level. But we'll see about that. Going up. So doubled up. I have 200 shares now. The question is, I'm gonna close some. So took some profit. Come on, man. doesn't really wanna. I'm gonna close it. So I'm up a little bit, but with commissions, I'm sure I'm down. The volume dropped now, so there's not that much interest at these higher prices. So let's see what's gonna happen. As you can probably hear, I still haven't recovered completely from my flu, so I'm not feeling that great. Haven't been working out in any way. Oh, I just hate this. But I don't know if it's a platform issue, but I know eSignal has these same problems, and it's really difficult to read the levels. It's better off looking at the level 2 at this point. Yeah, nothing exciting at this point with this stock. I'll see if anything else is moving. I'm gonna change this one. Click just here. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we've got in here. ALJJ. Okay, ALJJ. Let's see. That's a six up cap. SCK, biggest gainers, biggest losers. So why is this one not showing here? SCKT. That's boring. Why is this not showing? Volume leaders, biggest gainers. Oh, that's something wrong with that. I'm looking at the stock screener on YouTube, but this one is high of day Momo scanner, SCKT I mean, but I can't see it on another charts or something like that. SCKT. Okay, whatever. So look, it sold off quite hard. Oh, that was a good entry, wasn't it? At 10. Actually, oh, that was brilliant entry there. Oh well, can't get them all right. As you can see, my background changed. I reorganized the room a little bit, so I can face the camera and don't show you the mess around the living room. I don't know if I want to get in on the second round of a bounce. Yeah, it would have been a good entry, but hey, it's a really squeaky seat. I have to put some WD-40 on it or something. So, okay, look, my lines are not actually that good over here. So it's good here. I would say it would be better if I could make it a bit differently. Is there another way? I was thinking connecting it like these two. Let's see. I'm just gonna remove this one for a second. We can go here and like this. So there's a connection there. It's kind of above these here, but maybe it's a better one. I also am going to do this one here. Connect these two top spots there in case they come into play. I can also connect this one and that one. So one that when the stock goes over this, that might be another decent entry. Let's see. So you see this light over here? I used to be interested in photography years ago, and I have those lights. And with this YouTube thing, I thought, I'm going to put them to use. I have another one here. So there's a lot to learn when you're trying to start a YouTube channel. You have to learn about lighting, the software that you need to use for streaming, etc., etc. So last couple of days I've been spending too much time on that, and I have not been as focused on trading. But obviously the market was closed, so that's okay. But I spent the weekend playing with the lights, reorganizing the room, and yeah. So I hope it works. Right. So let's some pages there. Okay, let's see what else is there. There's nothing else. ALJJ GTHX. I'm gonna open it on my chart. GTHX. Nothing. GTHX right here. That's how it looks. So I also changed, as you can see, how my light speed looks like. So I kind of squeezed in here the news once I go live, so I'll be able to see the news related to the stock, and kind of, yeah, change it a tiny bit. It's going to look for. Okay. When I get a moment, I'll try to I'll make a video showing you my setup, my screens, and the computer and everything else that I use for my demo trading. So it's coming. I tried to record it yesterday, but I think it's live streaming is easier sometimes than recording, because you don't get a second chance. And I was re-recording it and re-recording it because I forgot about something, or I said something wrong. And eventually, on the last attempt, my camera batteries died. I just gave up. So I should make this video because soon probably I'll have it messy, but I tidied up the desk and everything. when I was moving the desk, so it is the way it is at the moment. So I better make this video before it gets messy around the screen, around the screens here on, yeah. So what is this stock doing? It doesn't know which way it wants to go, huh? So kind of, did it go? No, it's just kind of bottoming here. Look at this. That's a nice entry here. Might be. Yeah, was a good one. I didn't take it. I don't know. I have to keep in mind that it's Monday, and usually my Mondays are not that great. Hold on, I have my. This is not doing anything special. My stats are here. Like, it's ridiculous how well it has been going since January. This is the data from, I think, just January. So I just can't believe I'm gonna be able to play to trade like this in live. Just I don't think it's possible, not with at my level, but we'll see. Hopefully, I'll be able to make adjustments to live trading quickly. But yeah, there's so many things that do not exist when you trade in demo that I have to account for, including psychology. Um, so I wonder how it will differ from this. So that's from 1st of January. That's my trading. Trying to keep the losers small. If there are losers, I close them as quickly as I can. Um, I had a, I think when I started streaming the first day, I had a one which I mean, I could have had a big loss and I held it too long. Managed to kind of dig myself out because the day was very good for trading later on, but yeah, I risked too much and I was lucky to get out of that, and just reminded me to be careful with when the trades go against me and not holding the losers that long, because I was facing $3,000 loss and I don't want that. A couple hundred, I'm okay. I'm closing. It's going against me. I should be able to make that up. Make that up. Make that back the next day or in the next couple of days. It's no big deal. I have to look at the big picture and long-term trading. So if I stick to those simple rules, really, um, we'll see. I hope I'll be able to be profitable. Is there anything else going on at this point? Checking this SBBP. That's not, doesn't look very interesting. SBBP. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that's nothing. EO. I'm just looking for something with quite a bit of volume. Uh, this one is quite a bit, but it's a very cheap one. DFFN. DFFN. That's an interesting chart. Not. Nothing that I would be interested in, I think, based on how it looks. Okay, there's something going on in here. Could draw another line, I guess, like between here or here and there. Let's see. So I do this. like another ascending support line. Yeah, it's going under 10, huh? The volume dried up. Not that a lot of interest. 3 o'clock. Okay. So over here. Yeah, and when on a weekend I was recording my trading station video, which I'm not gonna post, as I said. Yeah, I used the microphone from the laptop, and it sounded awful. So I've decided that I'm gonna use my Bluetooth headphones for recording. I tested it, and it sounds quite alright. So I hope it still works properly. I got a mic on the weekend. I mean, a couple days ago, I bought an external mic, like a proper one, desk one. But because I have a small desk, and it did seem when I tested it that it works exactly the same as my laptop microphone, I decided I'm gonna send it back, and I did. And then I was making this video on a weekend, and my laptop mic doesn't sound as good as it did. So I don't know. I might have to invest in some proper microphones. I don't have to carry these on me. SCKT, yeah. SOS, Sino. Just gonna put some of the stocks. Sino. Let's see. Nothing too exciting, I guess. But from the PTVCB, my gosh, what is that? PTVCB. No. Ford? Ah. Rubbish there. Hmm. Something. Yeah, I didn't realize that it was a bank holiday yesterday. I mean, until I finished my stream on Friday, so I knew it quite soon. Somewhere on the internet it did say that the market's closed on Monday because of the bank holiday. Holidays. USA. What was it? Okay, 18 January. What? And yesterday was what? It was 15th. President's Day? Okay. President's Day. Washington's birthday, also known as President's Day, is a federal holiday held on the third Monday of February. The day honors presidents of the United States, including George Washington, the USA first president. It's a public holiday in most US states. Nonetheless, many businesses are open as usual, and many stores hold sales on Washington's birthday. Actually, didn't know about that. Um, okay, let's keep an eye on the SCKT for the moment. I just want to see if I can mark some other entries. So this is high of day there. That was about 1122, wasn't it? This is an important level, I guess. Although it's 856, but yeah, it held this as a resistance for a long time. It's about that, I guess. Just between. If I look at daily, are there any other levels that I can mark? So 11, we are around here. Okay. So let's just stretch it a little bit. Yeah, some of these, I guess, can be important. Let's see. This one or that one? I'll mark this one as a high. Okay. I wonder what we're going to see today on the market open. Not much except for this one, really, which is now, well, can't say it's selling off. It's consolidating. What else there is? LL, so that's the leading gap, SCKT. ALJJ is the second one. But it's sold off. The high was, maybe I'm gonna mark it around here. Then this was another high, and now kind of holds this level. This is a support to 20. If that gets broken, it might just sell off for the rest of the day. So you see, like how nice this kind of, that was resistance, now it's support. Maybe not exactly because it broke that a little bit higher, but it's funny, it doesn't hold 2, it holds 220. But nothing too exciting. So we got the piano here at the back, closer. This light, where is that? Here. And I had to clean up this cabinet here and just put some tennis trophies just to, so it's not empty. But I think at least, yeah, I can, the camera is positioned better this now. Oh, sorry about that. I should get some coffee, I think. 15 minutes to the bell. I think I'm gonna get some coffee. So just Bear with me, I'll be back, I think. I'm gonna get that coffee, because otherwise I'll fall asleep. I'll make some silly stuff. However, before I do that, let's just see what's going on in here. It's cutting back, isn't it? Yeah, it broke this support. It's high volume. I might just turn to red in a second. It's holding it nicely. Is it? Is it? Yeah, it is. I. I'm gonna close the door. It's getting noisy. So yeah, let's have a look at the 5 minute. What does the 5 minute say? So yeah, it's a first 5 minute make a new high, but it sold off, so it was kind of a trap, wasn't it? Looks like a trap to me. So it broke that level and then kind of dropped it, but now it's coming back, so never know. It's holding this level nicely. Yeah, wow. Should have gone in. It is, yeah, so that's also no, that's not the first 1 minute, it's the first 5 minute. But it's a good entry. Should I try to enter? I did enter. And probably will lose. Okay. I'm out. $8? Come on, man. Not very good. I'm in again. I'm just gonna try to get those $10 profits. I don't want to do anything too crazy. It's going. I'm gonna go for another 10. Here you go. I'm in. Too early, probably. I don't want to increase my share size because if it flashes, I don't want to go for get a big loser. Look at that. Aye, come on, Rafał. You should have closed that. Now I'm in, you see? So I didn't enter with at some stupid level. I just waited for it to flash all the way. But that's really not exciting, is it? Okay, I'm out. So $20 win. So lately I've been more hesitant to increase my share size. Normally I would, like when it dropped up to here, but then it flashed here. I was only with 100 shares, so I averaged down a little bit, and I was able to close it for profit. Small profit, but still a profit. Should I enter again? I'm in. That might not be a good idea. Let's see. I'm out. $11. So I made my losses back a little bit. Again, the volume is drying up a little bit. So what's this level? 65. Should I try 66? I don't know. I'm in. Yeah, I saw this kind of acceleration, and I should have actually taken some profit. Let's see. Someone is, I don't know. If I get another $10, I'm out. 66, I should say, buy. I'm going for $10. Here it is. So it holds my VWAP, which is not always corresponding with the proper VWAP, which is at 932 at the moment. So this VWAP is just something different. So it's selling off, as we can see, tiny bit. I would be interested getting in under 10 if I could. I got 200 shares and I'm gonna close it for $21 because it was a good entry, wasn't it? I should have actually sold just one of the share, one of 100 shares, not all of them, not 200. But I was just trying to save myself when if it flashed lower. But it was a good entry point. I'm in again. You see, that's what I was trying to avoid. Okay, give me 5 cents and I'm out. Now it's selling off. Is it gonna hold? It's holding that level. It can. I went in. I got in maybe too early. This one, if I can close it not for a loss, I'm out. I'm a bit scared of these flashes, and finding the bottom is really difficult. This was at least the moving average, but now it's breaking that, so I'm out. I'm glad I was able to close it, but it will probably curl back up, knowing how it usually is. Yeah, big red candle. It's going down. What's the next level? That might be a 950 is a good one, I guess. Because look, 950 and 936, this area. Because when it flashed down here, it quickly regained its level to 950 and then went back up. It doesn't mean it's going to happen, but it's quite a good level. I'm going to mark it just to see how it behaves at those levels. A little bit higher. So I'm not interested yet. Okay, let's keep an eye. So I would be closing if it went below 30 or yeah, could buy at this level if it sells off to that level, of course. Okay, now it's decided to curl. Well, maybe only just for a moment. Over here, high 1005, low 985. Let's see what it does. Lots of green. There was, but it's below 10. So let's see. I'm gonna put an order at 950. 950 just to see. Limit order buy at 950. Let's see if I'm gonna be able to catch it. 924 though, so might be a risky one, but I think it's a good level. So 935. I don't know if 950 is a good level. Sometimes it's better just to, well, at least in demo, just to wait and see what's happening for a quick entry once you see actually how far it flashes, rather than just put the order. I used to do that in the past, and sometimes it would really hurt me because it would just go right through that level and it wouldn't look back. I don't know. I'm removing my my order after saying what I just said. So my experience tells me that, my limited experience tells me that it can flash right through it. And if I want to get in, if I see that it's actually holding the level, I can just click my hotkey for that, right? Because that doesn't. I think that's better. Okay, I didn't change. Didn't put myself a bit lower. Cool. So it's bouncing back a little bit. It might go just to the view up that I have marked, and then sell down. Let's see. Or I might just go all the way to this resistance level. Or it might just flash. Or it might just do something crazy. I don't know. It's like zigzagging here, huh? So it's like consolidating. It doesn't know. So I would say this is our support. If it breaks this, it goes down. This is our obviously resistance high of the morning pre-market. If it breaks that, pooh, it might just go up. I want to see this ascending. If I can do any ascending, I think this is pretty good. Those are the two peaks. This one and this one here. That should be right. Okay, so it went all the way here. Look at that. That's nice. On the low volume though, look. So now more people are getting interested. So let's see what times of times and sales. Yeah, look, you see, they were waiting for this level to kind of sell some, but it might break. Wow. Okay, so this is the horizontal resistance level, I guess. I'm watching Ross, and he actually entered here. Wow. I didn't think it was a good level to enter. Well, but he's the one who makes the money, huh? I guess when he's in, he's got lots of following, so lots of people gone after him. So he might have actually generated this move. But you see, it doesn't like that level. Lots of volume though. So yeah, I'm in. Gonna try to get. Oh, my entry is 40. That's quite high. Okay, I'm in again. My ruffle. Okay, I made some money on this, but see, my view up is just not being respected that much. So I was just trying to catch the bottom. Risky strategy, but at least on demo it works most of the time. So I'm averaging down tiny bit and then just, well, that's a nice sell-off. Hold on, 950, huh? I don't know, it's too close to the entry, to the open. Not sure if I want to be involved buying at this level, because at the open I might just lose everything. But I'll see how it behaves. Okay. So stop this one. Boom, boom. Right. Let's see what we've got in here. Okay, the market is open. Rafael, you didn't put any orders. Oh, Rafael, it was too late. Silly person. But look how it respects that ascending, but it doesn't mean it's not going to break it. There's another one here. I was trying to enter at the right level. Okay, I made some $33. I don't know how, but because it's doing all these weird things, I'm in. Ah, no, look at that. I lost. Hmm? See, that's demo for you. Look at that. Don't want to be in. Wow. How wonder, like these people who got trapped over here. You see, what I've done here, I think I entered somewhere there, and then it flashed, and I was able to get out at the same price. I'll have to check that video to see at what price I actually clicked to get out. That wasn't right. I should have lost money here. You see, that's the thing about demo trading, guys. I mean, it doesn't mean it's gonna be as easy in the live. Like, I'm really surprised by this. That my fill is exactly the same price. Makes no sense whatsoever. And look, from 1150 almost to 983 in a sec. So I think the good entry could be at 948, let's say, over here, when it opens. Crazy stuff, huh? So yeah, can't trust this all the time, huh? But you see, well, I'm getting out. It's going against me. I don't care. At the open, I think when I go live, I'm not going to trade the open like this. I think I will just stay aside, wait 10, 15 minutes until, kind of I see the proper direction, because this is too risky. I can't afford with my account to trade and risk losing $1 or more so quickly. So good entry for me would be on the break of this, I suppose. No, because look, this it hit that resistance level. So after all these resistance levels are cleared, that's my entry around there, I think, or maybe even on a break of 12. That proves to me that it's really strong. So yeah, really not happy with the fill I got, because I think I should have lost money, quite a bit of money. I'll check the video later to see at what level um, the stock was when I had it, which doesn't mean I will get filled at that, because it's a queue of orders. So I'll probably even get a much worse fill from the time. So I'll probably get a fill like here or something. At least I was selling 100 shares, not 200 or 300. So the loss shouldn't be like crazy bad. So I might be showing you my charts and everything, but that might be worth nothing basically. So this is bouncing back, the second leading gap, huh? ASLN also. ASLN. It's another one. Oh, really? Seriously? ALJJ. No, this one is doing something. So this is the resistance level here. I can mark it out. But do I want to trade it? It's not as exciting. I think generally a trader gets kind of sense of what's moving in what way and whether the market is really hot or not. And looking at the stock, the how much it moves, you can judge whether it's really worth your risk. Unless you had weeks of really slow markets, and then you're kind of desperate to get in and just trade some, but if generally as it's been, the market is quite hard. And do I want to get myself on involved on a slower day like this, like for the sake of trading? I'd rather sit on my hands. I mean, no point really for this 10, 20 cents. Yeah, probably. See what it does. Is it gonna bounce off this level? 232. The bids. Now some bids there, and now it's kind of moving back, but it's not even 10 cents. So get the bounce. Now it's 10 cents. So if I entered there and I got the fill at that exact price, I would be up 10 cents. Oh, that's yeah, I missed it. I wasn't. Was it 5 minutes already? You see, so it went down to this level, and I wanted to get a fill there. I wanted to trade that, right? Remember what I said? 950 around there. I wanted that entry. So I would get some profit here. I thought actually it would be stronger, but I would still be able to close for profit. It's a leading gap after all, right? So you expect the biggest moves to be on this one. Now the question is, should I enter here? Because it looks quite weak. Am I supposed to be peeking the bottom? I think it's gonna go right through it. Then where is it gonna? 9? About 9? I'm in for 10 cents. Yeah, made my 10 cents. I don't have anything marked here. I mean, it's not an important level, except for being close to 9. So could have sold just half again, but you don't know. Like a week ago, I was in this one when I had this almost $3,000 loss, and it would just keep going, going, going. Like I'd rather take my small profits. I don't mind. So as you can see on the 5 minute, this area, all this area here, really like this one and this one, I guess. I would say, yeah, that's the consolidation area. Or should I mark it like all the way to the bottom here and to the top here? So should I say I'm not interested unless it crosses these levels? Well, that's really powerful. Above 11 again. Yeah, but it's, yeah, because the market's already open. It's the limit up now. Yeah, like these days, I wouldn't want to hold into this into the halt like this. There's something going on in here. Nice. It's testing this level again. Might be good entry to 50. But it's at the top. I mean, it would have to break 261, I would say. Yeah, like this. But this one is really big candle, really strong, but it's sold off really quickly. So doesn't look that strong. So nice. Okay, there are some other movers. Look at this one, ONDS. That's nice. I'm going to have a look. This one, I'll see how they resume. I'm going to step away for a second. I'll be right back. Okay, what's going on here? So, SCKT should resume, yeah, about now. Right? It was SCKT. Okay. No. Nice. I'm going for 1201. Hey, hold on. I don't want that much. 1201. Out. $20. Going higher. Out. In. Out. $15. Doesn't necessarily wants to go. Okay, in. Out. So another $11. And out for $10. It's heavy. And no, not a very good entry. Especially that it keeps going lower and lower. And out. And out. And don't like it. And out. $17. Wow, look at this. Ah, the wrong button. 1301. It's the next level. I'll be probably too late. Yeah. Oh shit. I didn't mean to buy at this level. Out $10. It's crazy how it goes. I was gonna enter, but I was like, oh, not sure. Strong, huh? No. In, out. $11. 12? It's gonna hit 12? Ah. And selling some, selling the rest. So 1301 is another entry for me. If it breaks that, it should retest. So accumulation again. Weakness. No, it likes that, huh? Let's see. Okay. I should get a fill soon if it breaks. Here you go. No. Okay, they are accumulating, so careful. I'm out for minus 17. It just took quite a long time. Now giving some profits away. It's becoming harder to judge where the entry is, where the obvious one is. Lots of red. And for a quick one. I don't want to do it multiple times because one of those moments it's not going to hold that level. And out for $15. That should hold it now. And aye, that was bad. Bad moment I clicked it. I'm out. $9 and $14. Held it, should have held it. Should have hold that one. Always closing a bit too early. closing way too heavy. But little by little, if I can. Okay, I got a fill. I'm out for $19. I'm in again. I'm out for $38. That's really good. It's really parabolic, isn't it? I'm in for quick one. Is it gonna? Yeah. Look at this. It's insane. In, out, in, out. Actually, I should have set for $14. 1401, too late. And nope, I'm in now. So I made somehow without any loss. I don't know. Maybe my entry was good. Hey. Huh? Yep. Oh, nice. That would have been a good one. 1401. Have I got that order? I've got it. Aye. I thought it's gonna go all the way here to this level. So the volume is kind of decreasing tiny bit. It's being pressed hard. Did you see that kind of quick flash? So some bigger maybe sell orders. I'm in, out. Oh no, am I out? Yeah, I'm out for $29. So I think that's it for now. So that's 30 cents. You see, between my entry, here it is, 13, so 29 cents. It's not bad, is it? My, yeah, I'm gonna come out $5 loss. I thought it would just go a little bit faster. I'm in. Is it gonna break it? Doesn't want to break it. Probably I closed it now for some profit, but it's gonna break now, huh? There's some fighting going on. I'm in again. Come on. Shoot. I'm out for $12 loss. Okay, it doesn't know what it wants to do. I'm just too scared it's gonna flash even lower. Here it is. No, still holding strong. Up. Nah, come on. I'm holding it because I'm hoping for a bigger move, which doesn't happen. I'm just giving the money away. So. No, it's drying up here. So I think that's the volume just decreased by a lot, huh? Might be done. Maybe another bounce. How cheeky is it, right? You feel like it's gonna drop and then it kind of reverses and all of a sudden it looks strong. So yeah, it's stopping out some what is it? There you go. I'm closing some, I'm closing that, the rest. So 10, 13, 29, all this. 3095, 1401. I'm going for 1401. Oh no, hold on, I don't want 200 shares, 100. what is that thing called when it reverses like that, and it caught by surprise the short sellers because they thought they're gonna, and they did. Maybe. Just keep talking rubbish. Talking crap. Sorry for the language. But this could have just gone this way and will go parabolic, because these guys would be trapped thinking it will sell off. I hoped it would, because I got my order here at 1401. Still might. So that was on slightly increased volume. Just want to quickly peek what's going on with this one. Nothing interesting, to be honest. Come on, what are you doing? Just don't want to give up that level, do you? Still got an order at 1401. The high was 1395. It's kind of, but that might be indication of, yeah, that. So I got $11 out of this move. It's usually when you have this kind of ascending resistance like this, it's indication that will just drop like this. It's gonna nicely bounce now. Oh no. It holds this level. Might be a brilliant entry, actually. Right? And it's holding it so far. So, because then you know what your risk is. Holding it, holding. Yeah, so that's, I would be stopped out. There's another $12 is another level, which is a good entry. But when it's selling off, I don't know, with the volume as it is. So it's not the end of the day, but actually I'm going to be having a losing day today. But with these moves on SCKT, I've managed to scalp some profits. So actually it's a good winner. On 1418, 1400, 14,800 shares traded. So I would have to pay some commissions. But I don't know if, like, still tired with the flu. Still not fully recovered. And I've been sitting a lot in front of the computer, so I'm just sorry about my yawning again. I'm forgetting I got a camera. I'm just talking to myself. Just tired. I don't want to be in front of the computer all this time, because I sat a little bit earlier, and yeah, just tired. So I don't know. I'll be interested if it goes above 14 or there's some kind of strength, increased volume. Now this level might serve as a resistance. Yeah, they're pushing it down. Buyers, where are the buyers? Here they come. Right. Yeah, not interested at this point. ONDS, KB, that's what's happening here on these guys. There's that stopped. KBNT halted. 936, it's 10. Okay. I'm surprised why ONDS resumed. I don't know. KBNT volatility trading pause. So it's gone back to this level again. Probably good to 12 might be a good one. Hmm. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna call it a day, guys. I might trade a little bit more if I see something, but I'm happy with what I have. As you've seen, the demo trading is sometimes I think most of the time you don't get what you would in a live system on the live account. So I had one loss I should have taken, but it filled me with the same price I've entered. So I think I would like to review this on the video stream that I just recorded, because that should be a bit less, I believe, than it is. Yeah. All right, guys. If you ever watch it, that's brilliant. Hope you're gonna learn something from it. Look at this. Wow. Sorry. Okay, I'm not gonna finish this yet, but that might be. That's really strong. Although the volume is still quite low. Yeah. Should I try it? The volume increases. Gosh. Yeah, not a good idea, huh? Now maybe at 12. Come on, go to 12. No, doesn't want to. Wow. And for with 200 shares, another $29. Nice one. I was quite late to buy it because I wanted to see, but still, I 1196 already is 12.07. So if I held it, that would be a better profit, but never know. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish for today. It's really good profit on my account, so I don't want to push it and give it away. But yeah, like I said, I might still trade a little bit. We'll see. All right, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.